Wired TempGuard real-time monitoring system features wide coverage of sensors capable of 100 meters cabling installation. The TempGuard Wired is built with the digital sensor ports that are labeled with T1 and T2 located in the bottom and upper part of the controller. For the sensor installation, connect the digital sensor cable to the T1 or T2 sensor port. Mount the cable sensor properly outside of your equipment wall. Slide the sensor cable into your equipment through the door hinge. You may use a twist tie tape and mount it to the sidewall for sensor cable attachment. Insert the sensor probe inside the bottle containing glycol buffer. Fasten the bottle to the twist tie tape and gently tighten the cable by using a cable or twist tie.